Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous session, we had discussed scoring and ranking. This is the continuation to scoring and ranking, and this is accessing and visualizing ranking performance. The main point is the scores are not estimated. The scores are not estimated from true scores. What do you mean by these two scores? The true scores are the scores are assigned by some X company or some Y company, that is some fixed scores. The scores are not estimated from the true scores. Then how the scores are assigned? So scoring classifier has to be learned from examples, that is similar to classifier. Here also the scoring classifier has to be learned from examples in the form of instances X with the class labels C of X. That is similar to classifier. The scoring classifier also learned from different examples in the form of an instance X, and the class label of the instance X is C of X. From this the scores are assigned. Okay, scoring classifier has to be learned from examples in the form of instances X with the class label C of X. For our convenience, that is to more conveniently represent, we are maintaining the order that are imposed by the scores. Maintain the order that are imposed by the scores on a set of instances. That is, we are considering the set of instances, and the scores of all the set of instances are maintained in an order. But ignore magnitude. So one important point is, whenever we are assigning a scores, the scores imposed, that is the instances are arranged in an order imposed by the scores, but not considered magnitude. What is the reason? If we are imposing only order but not the magnitude, it is less sensitive to outliers. Everyone know what is an outlier? That is simply a misclassification. So if you are maintaining this one, it is less sensitive to outlier. There is a less chance for occurring of outliers if you are maintaining the order imposed by the scores. And one more advantage is, this is the one advantage, and one more advantage is no need of any scale to assign the scores. That is, the scores are assigned from 1 to 10. The scores are assigned from some 2 to 100. There is no fixed scale for assigning the scores. That means no score threshold. A ranker does not assume, remember the main important point is, a ranker does not assume a score threshold for why you are assigning scores to separate positives from negatives. So a ranker does not assume a score threshold for separating positives from negatives. Okay, that means where after calculating whatever the score it is get, we are assigning that score based on that. Generally ranker assumes that the high score means that is a positive class, but it does not assume any score threshold. So what is the definition? A ranking is a total order on a set of instances. Ranking is a total order on a set of instances, possibly with the ties. That is, with the ties means both positive and negative instance have the same score. That is the ranking. Okay, this is the ranking definition. That is how we are assigning the score, and what after assigning the score, what is the ranking? Ranking is a total order on which a set of instances, possibly with the tie. But remember, this is the important. A ranker does not assume any score threshold. any score threshold for separating the positives from negatives. Okay, we will implement this one. Suppose consider the scoring tree or future tree. So in the previous one we are already discussed the future tree. So consider that example. If that is converted into ranking, that is if you are converting ranking into classification by fixing the ranks or by fixing the scores. Suppose 20 positives, 5 negatives. Observe in the future tree, the leaf node contains 20 positive examples, 5 negative examples. The middle leaf 10 positive and 5 negative. The left leaf 20 positive and 40 negative. 20 positive and 40 negative. This is the example. Okay. Whenever we are selecting a split point, the ranking is converted into classification. By selecting split point, ranking is converted into classification. Here where we have to select the split point, because there is no threshold. If we have a threshold, suppose in the question, in the scoring tree, the score for this node is 2. The score is +1. Here the score is -1. Okay, we already know the scoring tree and future tree. These are the calculated scores, but we have no scoring threshold. Without no scoring threshold, how we are assigning which one is the positive and which one is the negative? So we have to identify a split point. You got the point? So without any scoring threshold, I am separating the positives from negative. So you have 3 instances or 3 segments. If you have 3 segments, there are 4 possible cases. The first case is select the split point. For example, so before that I will explain the meaning. What is the meaning of this one? 20 plus means a sequence of 20 positive instances. 5 minus means a sequence of 5 negative instances. Similarly, sequence of 10 positive instances, sequence of 5 negative instances, and this one represents the elements, that is the instances present in the square brackets are tie. That is, these positives and these negatives have the same score. If more than one element have the same score, that is called tie. Okay, so see this one. This is the segment 1, segment 2, segment 3. So this one is this one, this is this one, and this is this one. Assume where we have to select the split point. We have to select the split point at this position. If you are selecting the split point before the first segment, then all are considered as negative class. Okay, I am selecting the split point at some particular position. Before the split point, those are positive class. After the split point, those are considered as negative class. That is my concept. Suppose if I am selecting split point at this position, before that there is no positive class. All 3 segments becomes negative class. So second case is select the split point at this position. Select, that means at this position. Remember, these boxes and these are same. Split point at this position. So this is a positive class and these two becomes negative class. Positive class, these two becomes negative class. Next, the 3 segments where we have to place at this position. This is the positive class and this one is the negative class. And the fourth possible case is after the last segment and all are positive class and there is a no negative class. So observe, we have 4 cases. Before the first segment, after first segment, after second segment, after last segment. That is, we are placing a split point. Before the split point, all are considered as a positive. After, all are considered as a negative. Why? Because in ranking there is no threshold. So this is the case. Suppose after this one, if you want to check based on the scores. If you want to set the threshold based on the scores, see this one, all are negative. What is the highest score? This one, 2 plus 1, the next score is minus 1. What are the threshold? All the classes are negative, means the threshold greater than 2. If we are setting a score threshold greater than 2, that is no segment has a score greater than 2, that is there is no positive, all are negative. You got it? So in this case we have set the threshold as greater than 2. If the threshold greater than 2 means there is a no positive. Why? Because the maximum threshold is 2. See this one. In this case, 1 is positive and these two are negative. So this is the positive. Then what is the threshold? What is the threshold? The threshold is less than 2. The threshold is less than 2 but greater than 1 also. So between 1 to 2. So if the score, that is a greater than 1, less than or equal to 2. If the score threshold is greater than 1, that means and less than or equal to 2. Only this one. If this satisfied, that is a positive class. If not satisfied, that is a negative class. Similarly, for this, these two are positive. That is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. So only these two positive. And this one lower than minus 1, that is all scores less than minus 1, all are less than or equal to, all are negative. Okay, so these are the ways of selecting the split point. Based on the split point, we are already assigned the scores. Based on this, we are setting some threshold value. This is the way how to divide the number of segments and convert the ranking into classification. Now move to one more point. Suppose consider two instances x and x dash. Consider two instances x and x dash. So score of x, we are assuming that suppose score of x, this is a representation, we already know this is the score of instance x less than score of x dash. Okay, the score of x is less than score of x dash. Generally, ranking has a strong belief that higher score means a positive. Ranking is a strong belief that higher score is more positive and lower score is negative. Then which one is the positive? Our assumption is x dash. According to this one, x dash is the positive. According to this one, x dash is the positive. But if originally x is the positive and x dash is the negative. Okay. According to scores, we assume that x dash is the positive, but originally x is the positive and x dash is the negative. Then what is that? That is called ranking error. Okay, you got it? According to scores, that is a positive, but originally that is a negative. That is called ranking error. How we are calculating the ranking error? That means is the score of a negative instance. What is the ranking error? The score of negative instance is greater than the score of positive. You got it? Generally, high score means positive, but the score of negative instance has a high score compared to score of positive. Actually, this is not possible because the score of positive is always greater than negative according to our ranking. If this happened, this is called ranking error. Suppose how we are calculating? Sigma x belongs to the positive, and x dash belongs to the negative. x belongs to positive and x dash belongs to negative. Suppose a function I of s cap of x less than s dash of x. This is the representation. This is the representation. Now write the ranking error. Ranking error is equal to this equation plus, so I already written, so RE is equal to, the ranking error is equal to the set of all the instances whose score is less than, whose negative element score is less than positive instance score, plus, what do you mean by plus? And we already discussed the square brackets. Suppose 20 positive, 5 negatives. The scores are equal. That means a tie. In the case of tie, that means these positive and these negative elements have same score. If the negative elements have high score than the positive element, then we are calculating full ranking error. If the negative elements have same score as the positive element, then we are calling as a tie. In this case, we are calculating half ranking error. Okay. If this is the case, we are calculating full ranking error. If this is the case, that is the both negative and positive have the same score, we are calculating half ranking errors. No problem. After writing the formula, I will explain by considering one example. So half ranking error of when I of score of positive is equal to score of negative, and the ranking error rate is the total number of available occurring ranking errors by the total positive and negative, that is the total possible ranking errors. The total errors possible is, on worst case, total number of positives into total number of negatives. This is the worst case situation. Okay, remember the scores of here. What do you mean by x is the actual positive, so the failure case plus half ranking error by total. So no problem. And what is the accuracy? Ranking accuracy is equal to automatically 1 minus ranking error, or simply instead of less than, if you are using greater than, that is the formula. Instead of less than, if you are using greater than, that is the formula. Now consider one example. Consider the same feature tree, the same scoring tree for calculating the ranking errors. So we have three leaves. So the left leaf 20 positive, 40 negatives. Observe the feature tree or scoring tree. We have 20 positives and 40 negatives, and the left leaf has the score -1. Next one is 10 positive, 5 negatives. The score is +1. 20 positive and 5 negative, the score is +2. Okay, I am not considering any example. I am considering only the constructed scoring tree. So from the tree, this is the left leaf, 20 positive and 40 negatives, and the score assigned in the scoring tree is -1. The middle leaf score is +1. The right leaf score is +2. Now how we are calculating ranking error? Okay, so what is our assumption? High score means a positive score. Okay, check this one. The 5 negatives on this node segment, assume the 5 negatives on this segment has high score compared to 10 positives. You observe the point. The 5 negatives has a score 2, has high score compared to 10 positive. What is my ranking error? The negative has highest score than a positive, that is called ranking error. So 5 negatives has high score than 10 positive. So simply how many ranking errors? 5 into 10, that is 50. Here the possible ranking errors 50. Similarly, 5 negatives has high score compared to 20 positives. You observe the procedure. Negatives are compared with positives. 5 negatives have high score compared to 20 positives. So 5 into 20, 100. So this one is completed. Move to this one. 5 negatives, the score is +1, has highest score than 20 positives. So 5 into 20, 100. Okay. So 3 comparisons calculated. Now calculate half ranking errors. Half ranking error means these 20 positives and 40 negatives have same score. That is called a tie. In the case of tie, we are calculating half ranking error. That is 20 into 40, 800. Half means 800 by 2, 400. In this case 50, 10 into 5, 50. 50 by 2, 25. 20 into 5, 100. 100 by 2, 50. Now calculate sum of all the ranking errors. 250, 650, 700, 725. The total possible ranking errors are 725. What is the possible? These are the occurred. The possible ranking errors are total positives into negative. How many number of positives? 20, 10, 20. 50 positives, 45, 5. 50 negatives. So the total positives and negatives is 50, 50. That is the total 50 into 50, 2500. And the ranking error rate is, observe, in the formula, first I am calculating full ranking errors. That is 50 plus 100 plus 100 plus half ranking errors means 475. That is total 725 by positives into negative 2500. If you are calculating percentage, the percentage is 29%. This is the ranking error rate. What is the accuracy? Automatically accuracy is 71%. Accuracy is 71%. This is the way of accessing and visualizing ranking performance. Suppose if you are representing the same concept in the form of ROC curves, here also occur the same concept. Okay. Thank you.